Hi, I'm Caden with Wildwood TV Lift Furniture, and today I want to introduce you to the SureSupport bed frame system. Now, the SureSupport bed frame is the bed frame that's included with all of our TV lift beds. We engineered the SureSupport system to be very durable and strong, and also to reduce the amount of movement that gets transferred to the footboard where your TV is. Now, one of the best things about this bed frame is that you can't see any legs. A lot of people really don't like the look of seeing metal legs sticking out, and it can kind of cheapen the look of a bed, especially, you can imagine seeing like the old caster legs of a metal bed frame sticking out. With the SureSupport, you can't see any bed frame, so it gives it a high quality look as well as a high quality experience. In addition to the SureSupport bed frame, we have a couple of other bed frame options depending on your needs. So if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us.